they already.
It's not bad, bro. That's not bad. Yo, sir, where are we going?
It's gonna be like.
Yo, how was your birthday party last night? Did you make any profit?
Yeah, I make profit for them.
You guys are scammer, dude.
I scam
Don't
artists.
gamble.
Yeah, I am scam artist.
No, this is the food that you guys bought yesterday, right? Damn, not bad.
Oh, damn.
First breakfast in the morning.
Oh, that's very good. What the hell is it? Oh, it's trash.
Sell bottles.
Every time he's in the car, he always sleep on the road trip. That's what he does all the time. Look at this amazing view though. And yeah, we're gonna go to hot spring. That's gonna be awesome. So you're missing out, man. You wanna check it out? Dude, what the fuck? This dude. The views is amazing. Look at it, wonderful. By the way, guys, I live in Idaho, so got a lot of cool natures. Alright, now let's go back in the car. Let's get to the hot spring. The fuck, look at this dude. So we decided to park right here. The hot spring is way back there. Parking lot is packed with snow too. So yeah, you ready to walk, mate?
Let's do it.
Let's go. We have to wait for the other dude with his girlfriend. I'm pretty sure he's gonna come park right here too.
Yeah.
Drop us off over there, you come back and park the car here. Is that fair?
Yeah, how about you do that?
You want to push 2 cars or 1 car?
I want to push 3.
You guys want to?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Oh, now we are okay. Now we're gonna go park there. Go a little bit more. You can still go. Yeah, I like this car.
You like my car?
Is that your car?
Yes, mate.
Wait, what's on your teeth? On the top row. What is that?
Dude, my teeth is white.
Damn. So my plan is really simple. I just want to jump in the river, but I know that's gonna be freezing. At least they got a hot spring, so I'm gonna go in hot spring for a couple minutes. My body's fully warm up, and then I'm gonna go jump in. So are you gonna jump in the river?
Of course, it's only this one.
I mean, look at it. It's not bad. The water is clear. It's just freezing. Yo, what's up? Man, this guy with the sandal. Damn. Oh, let's pray first before we go in. Let's hope that there's no shit in the bathroom. No stink. 5 star. Let's do this. Ew. Go ahead, you can go pee. That's nasty, bro. What the fuck? That shit is hella nasty. Good luck. Yeah, we got hot spring in Idaho. 2 hours drive away from the city. It's not that bad. It's like a volcano shit, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go show you the first spot, and there's nobody here. Because the farther you go down, there's gonna be a lot of people. You got not bad. Ooh, it's really warm. Whew. Feels good. This is not a good spot though. Best spots are down there, right next to the river. It's like hot water, cold water. Yo, how does it feel to wear a sandal? So flip-flop, what is it? How was it?
It's got slippers, man.
It's not that slippery?
No, it's not. It's slippery.
You can see the smoke. The peoples are packed.
Damn.
Still want to go?
Ladies and men.
See, as you can see, the hot spring just right there, and the cold river is just right there, so close to each other. So every time you get really hot, you just jump in the cold, and if it gets really cold, you jump back in the hot. One thing that I forgot to bring, my swimming shoes. I only have one shoes, and I don't want to make it wet. Last year I came, it was a lot more people. Yeah, people are packed. There's no more spots available. There is, but you have to share. I came here like more than 5 times already. I think more than 10 times. I always drove by right here. I haven't explored all the areas yet, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. Let those people swim, chill in the hot tub. Not in the hot tub, chill in the hot spring. I'm just gonna go walk around for a bit, enjoy the vibes, you know. Damn, the snows are deep right here. Look, 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 look. Whew, it's frozen too. I don't feel cold at all. It feels normal. Look, how deep is the snow? Look at it. All the way to my knee. Higher than my knee. Damn. Okay, let's not go back. Yeah, later in the future, I think I'm not gonna stay in Idaho anymore. I'm gonna move out to somewhere else because I'm really tired of this city, this state. I want to try something new, explore new places, you know. I've been jogging for a bit. I'm already tired. I'm still not cold. I just want to jump in the river. Yeah, it's hot. Very, very hot.
I think they call it hot spring for a reason.
After a couple minutes later, I'm gonna go jump in the river. That's gonna feel good. Yep. It's freezing, huh? You just have to calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down. Right. Oh shit. My whole eyeball is like freezed up, bro. You good, bro? A little bit cold, huh? It's freezing. No, we're from Boise, yeah. But what about you?
Oregon, Great Cross.
Oregon, so you just can visit here?
Yeah, I got a buddy that I'm visiting here, so. And what nationality are you?
I was born in Thailand.
You too, huh? Well, I wasn't born there, but I'm quarter Thai. My mom's
Quarter
half
Thai.
Thai. Yeah.
That's awesome. I was born in Thailand, but I don't speak Thai.
You guys ever been over there to Thailand?
I haven't gone back since I came here, so yeah.
Why not freaking Where did you go when you went? What part of Thailand?
Oh, nowhere. Just pretty much in the jungle. I just lived there for like 9 years and just came straight to America. Not even in the city, just in the jungle. You from Chiang Mai?
No. My camp is close to there.
You came close to Chiang Mai Hub.
First time I was there for 2 years on a sailboat. My mom's half Thai. My uncle or my grandpa, he's full Thai.
Yeah.
And then second time was just for like a month or so. But yeah, flew into Bangkok, Salat Pet, or Salat Pet, a bunch of different spots there. So,
That's awesome,
yeah.
bro. That's good. That sounds fun. I want to go there. Maybe, hopefully, by the end of this year, maybe. I wanted to go there for so many times, right? But I didn't go. I ended up going to Europe instead. Soccer is not really my passion. It's just my hobby. It's just free time.
It was my passion, and then I lost passion for it. So
How's that? Why?
Just doing it too long. I've been playing since I was 5 years old. So
Yeah, very good.
yeah, traveling a lot.
Which position do you play in soccer?
Midfield, defense. Yeah, but mainly midfield. That's what I kind of got signed on to that team for, is midfield.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This guy is living his life. Look at it. Damn, bro. I'm so jealous, I swear. Before I'm done swimming, I'm gonna go for the last jump in the river. No actual jump, just chill in the river, in the cold. That's about it. Damn. Just breathe, 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 breathe. Relax, breathe. I'm probably not gonna come back here for a very, very long time. Because, you know, this place is getting bored. Alright guys, so yeah, I think I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm just gonna rest and chill. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Peace out.